Okay, recording is rolling. It's Thursday, March 2nd. We're about 15 minutes into class because I played for you guys Ted Mustard's new plastic and showed you guys some videos on non-Newtonian fluids. You guys have on your desk a baggie of cornstarch. Looks like this cornstarch. So in about 5-10 minutes here, you guys have opportunity to go back to the lab area and put in some water and mix this. Now be careful because there's an optimal mix of cornstarch and water to make that non-Newtonian fluid like you guys saw, where it'll run like a liquid until you apply a pressure to it, and then it temporarily adopts the property of a solid, just like you guys saw in the video. So pretty rarely. Remember, if you put too much water, then that could be non-optimal. It's really hard to get the extra water out. So just put a little bit of water at a time, and then mix it until it creates an optimal mix. Other thing I'm having you guys do today is you should have a glass prism on your desk and also a blank half page. You guys see those things? Now, this blank half page, write your name on it. You guys write your name? Is everybody writing their name on their blank half page? Everybody write their name on their half page? Okay, and what I'm going to have you guys do is determine what is the density of this glass prism. Well, I'm calling it glass because it's some kind of plastic. What's the density? And I'm going to have you guys, what is density? Density is what for what? Mass per unit volume. Yeah, mass per volume, right? It's a ratio. It's a material property, an intrinsic material property, right? Like if I had 3 times the amount of material, it would still be the same density, right? Same ratio of mass per volume. Could you guys quantify it in grams per cubic centimeter? Right? You could also do kilogram per cubic meter, but I'm gonna have you guys do gram per cubic centimeter. Now there are some scales around the desk. I've only got 4 scales in the room right now. You guys see it on some of the lab tables, okay, so you guys have to plug those into the outlets around the room, share the scales and data with each other, help each other out. There are also some rulers on your desk. So it's a little bit of geometry involved. Do you think you guys can make some measurements with the ruler and do some geometry? Can you guys do that? Okay, determine the density of this object. So on the paper where you wrote your name, show your work of how you got to the answer, and then box in the answer. And when you box in the answer, make sure that your final answer looks reasonable. That's always a good thing to do. It's great. When you come to an answer, do a final check. Does that look like a reasonable number of grams per cubic centimeter? And then turn that into the gray tray, and I'll give you guys points for the density lab. Oh, SAT. Hey, how did you guys go on the SAT yesterday? Did I go pretty good? Okay, overall, pretty good. All right. So if you missed it, the makeup date I'm seeing circulate is Wednesday, March 22nd, which is after spring break. Okay. One more thing. I told you guys, promised you guys a 2-day concert, Thursday and Friday next week. So I know all my classes, there's a bunch of musicians. I know we've got some musicians in here. So yeah, if you want to play something for class, let me know and I will set up a time for you. I think probably Wednesday is what I want to do because Thursday, Friday is what I have a whole concert planned out. But yeah, if you want to, then let me know and I'll get something for you.
Yeah.
All right, so turn your lab to gray tray by the end of class.